pretty good for my first weld job. Pretty good. So, I did a professional weld job just to get that on there. I tried using some just JB Weld just to hold it, but it fell off when I tried to bolt it down. So I figured I'd put a couple spots of weld on there. Awesome job, obviously. But I'm going to go around it with some JB Weld just to fill in little spots on it if there's any gaps or cracks in there. I'm sure there is because it's professional, so. But first time, whatever. I don't really care. Looks cool anyways. But I'm going to go around it with some JB Weld to fill any cracks, so should do that, and I'll bolt it in with some clamps and should be fine after that. Just before I put JB Weld on without putting any weld down, and it pretty much fell off as soon as I started to tighten everything up. So should be fine after this. Looks a lot tighter now. It won't move. That was my issue. I was just gonna put a couple spots here and there, but I figured I'd keep going just to keep trying it out. First time, anyways. Not bad. Kinda like so. Just put some JB Weld around so it cover any spots where it might be a little gap. Seal up any little small holes. This stuff holds pretty good. It's just ain't gonna hold just by itself when it comes to the exhaust and whatever, so this should make it extra secure. I like using the JB Weld, but I thought it would work a little bit better the first time, but oh well. We kind of got it mounted up. Hey, the spot, man, it's so hard to get with. Get your hands up in there is just the worst thing. That's what I'm looking at. It's just a hard. But I put some JB Weld on around it, seal up any cracks of what. But hopefully she'll hold and there's no leaks, and there probably will be, who knows. But I haven't plugged it in yet. I gotta let that harden up and I'll start it up maybe the next day, tomorrow. But that part's done. Hopefully there's no other issues. Hopefully that will be it. But the worst spot to try to do an O2 sensor, you can't get two hands on it. You're doing one hand at a time pretty much. Because like right here, it's just you can't get your hand past this, and it's like hard to work with to tighten and untighten stuff. So we'll check back in when I'm ready to start it. Hopefully there's no leaks. Possible little leak somewhere up there. I gotta put more attention to it, but it's on and running. I just cleared the codes.
new.
Once was, right?